Tianrui Heavy Industry, create a green future with a maglev power. Shandong Tianrui Heavy Industry Company, Limited, established in 2008, is located in Weifang High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, as a high-tech enterprise engaged in research and development of maglev power technology, which is the National Ministry of Industry and Information Technology Manufacturing individual champion, the Secretariat Unit of National Standardization Working Group on the Foundation and Application of Maglev Power Technology, the National Enterprise Technology Center, the National Industrial Design Center, the Provincial Energy Conservation and Environmental Protection Equipment Industry Chain Master. Tianrui Heavy Industry, adhering to the innovation and intelligent manufacturing of the future, strives to be the leader of maglev industry development and the well-deserved world-class enterprise. Maglev industry has been included in the 4 future industries of the forward-looking layout in Shandong province, entering the fastest-growing stage. We have a number of innovation platforms such as Shandong Maglev Industry Technology Research Institute, with a professional and industry-leading research and development team led by academician Li Yongshan. It has built a complete set of core parts experimental production and processing line and machine assembly testing line, becoming a leading enterprise of maglev energy-saving technology in China. We use technology to unlock the double carbon code. Here, the maglev blowers, maglev vacuum pumps, maglev air compressors, maglev chillers, and maglev low-temperature waste heat generators, maglev energy storage flywheels, maglev vapor compressors and other maglev energy-saving equipment all can save energy more than 30%, with noise low to below 80 decibels from 120 decibels and lifetime up to 20 years, reaching the international leading level, as the perfect replacement for energy-intensive equipment, widely used in various industries such as cement, papermaking, sewage treatment, chemical industry, thermal electricity, as well as other energy-intensive industries. The key technology has got 14 provincial and ministerial science and technology awards, including 2 Shandong Top 10 Scientific and Technological Achievement, the first prize of technological invention of Shandong Province, the only one all the province, the first prize of Science and Technology Progress of China Light Industry Association, the first prize of Shandong Province Patent. Tianrui was selected into the final winner of the National Disruptive Technology Innovation Competition, the highest, the National Energy Efficiency Star Product Catalog, the National Green Technology Promotion Catalog, the National Catalog of Green Technology Promotion and Typical Cases of National Energy Conservation Center.
天瑞磁悬浮真空泵设备运行稳定，与我们之前用的水环的真空泵相比，节能节电率能达到53.3%，噪音也由原来的120分贝降到了现在的80分贝以下。
自投入使用了情况一直都稳定，节能效果明显，节能率达到55%，经吹散每年可以节约71万度电。
节能的话来说，能节能40%左右，就是每小时吧，能节约50度电。比原先从水环上来说的话，
原来的水环设备需要补水。磁悬浮真空泵只需要定期清洗更换过滤网就可以，维护起来很方便。
天瑞重工的磁悬浮设备我们使用了半年多，没有出现过故障。与之前的螺丝风机相比，节电优势明显，可以将噪音降到80分贝以下。
节能方面吧，比以前的话节能50%以上，全年的话得节省80万度以上。
那么噪声呢，我们原来这个环保验收就没有通过。噪声在120分贝以上，那么通过我们用了这个风机以后呢，它的这个噪声能达到80以下。
在这个运行当中有这个设备属于一个免维护，再一个是你们这个售后这块来说也是比较高的，随叫随到。
采购了第1台之后，发现这个现场的噪音减少了，节能效率也提升了。于是呢，在2019年的时候，我们采购了第2台。
It is of great significance to deepen the transformation of old and new kinetic energy and green low carbon as well as high quality development. It has been an important technical support for China to realize the carbon peaking and carbon neutrality strategies.